Hello beautiful people. I just got to the DMV, and the reason why I'm at the DMV is because my license expired and I applied for a real ID, and so I'm here going to get one. So I just set up Ethan's stroller. I haven't used this thing in forever, but he still fits in it. I bought this on OfferUp for like 20 bucks, and right now I think they sell this stroller, which is the 3D Lite, at Target for, the last time I checked, it was $95. So this was definitely a steal, and we've used it so many times. And I'm glad Ethan still fits in it, so we can go to the DMV and he can watch on my phone while I work a little bit. Parking lot is pretty full, so I'm hoping that inside isn't as packed as the parking lot. Look at this freaking Tesla, guys. Freaking beautiful. It is 7:38 p.m. and the sun is still out. I'm actually about to get gas, so I'm at the gas station. I'm here at Shell, and I just want to show you guys the prices for this gas station. Just give me a second. Right now we're in Cerritos, California, and the price for gas for regular 87 is $6.59. You guys, okay, so I'm here at Shell. That is the price right here. Across the street it is Chevron, and the price is $6.37. So it's a 20-cent difference, and that's a lot. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick because my car's a little ghetto, so it doesn't open like this by itself. You have to like hold it in order to actually open it. Let me see if I can show you guys the situation. I'm gonna put 60 bucks. Right now it's at a quarter. Gotta grab my keys so I don't forget it. But you're gonna pull this piece and then open the gas piece right there. On the way to go bowling with my company. I am about 15 minutes out from the bowling location. I'm about to beat my team in bowling. I'm a good bowler. Not the best because I don't practice or whatever, but I know I can kick butt tonight, and I'm gonna just show up, show out. No conceited type stuff. It's just like, I didn't know I was good at bowling until I actually tried bowling, and it's awesome. Like I said, I'm not the best, but I know I'm fairly good at the actual, you know, throwing the ball, bowling type stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna be there in about 10 minutes or so. I just got here. I'm in Pasadena, California, and I have no idea where my team is at. Show you guys my fit. So I'm wearing this Arizona crew neck. I got it in Arizona at the airport. I'm wearing some Target jeans, and you guys can't even see. And I'm wearing some white Pumas, very dirty. So yeah, this is the outfit. Oh, I'm wearing also this brown purse. I got it from DD's Discount, and I have my purple water bottle. My iPhone is purple. My nails are like mint green, and she doesn't want to focus. And then the accessories that I'm wearing this these cross earrings from my brother, and then these are the current rings that I'm wearing. So yeah, we're gonna just head in.